Jackson, what are we going to go look for?
For Elf.
What's his name?
Elfie Hoover.
Well, let's go see where he's at this morning. Come on, let's go look.
Okay. I'll put it right there. Where Elfie go?
He's not there anymore? Where did he go last night?
Does this have water in it?
Nope. I'd look around in the bathroom, see if you see him somewhere else in the bathroom. Keep looking around. Look around, all around. What's he doing?
He's singing in the bathtub in the drain.
Oh my goodness.
Show him, Mom.
You mean show him? Elfie.
We should get Elfie out of the bathtub so I can take a bath in there.
I bet he'll move later.